Tutoring with the Lightning Squad is generally used to help children in years 1 to 5 who need extra support with their literacy. When schools sign up for Tutoring with the Lightning Squad, they're sent everything they need to deliver the sessions. They receive a complete set of printed materials. And schools can also choose to hire a pair of FFT Chromebooks to be used during the tutoring.
Can you read this word for me, please?
The tutor starts by checking the literacy skills of all the children identified as needing support.
What's this letter?
D.
D.
Dab.
What's that?
This assessment is conducted using the Tutoring with the Lightning Squad online platform.
So what's this?
Dad.
Dad, great.
Each child is matched with another pupil who is at a similar reading level. Because children are paired by stage, not age, this means that pupils will often have a partner who is from another year group.
Okay, so who's the coach first? Your coach, you're going for it. Okay, you ready?
The children within the pair will collaborate with each other, taking it in turns to have the role of coach and reader. Each pair is matched with another pair, also working at a similar level. The tutor will work with both pairs simultaneously. Each pair will have their own computer. The tutoring slots last for 30 minutes. Ideally, the children receive tutoring every day of the week.
Good morning, FFT Tutoring Support.
Good morning, FFT. Alia speaking. How can I help?
A 7-strong customer support team is always on hand to provide schools with prompt advice by phone or email.
There's a little icon, which is a move icon with a few different arrows in different directions.
The team can advise on technical matters such as how best to use the platform, as well as providing specialist guidance on the teaching of literacy.
You're looking at I'd say about 4 days to finish a story level, to be honest.
Log 1 and 8 1 and 1. Get a bottom mark.
Evidence shows that a 6-week block of tutoring with the Lightning Squad significantly boosts children's reading fluency.
So Sienna, you just had to read a little bit faster. We'll have another go, okay? And our aim is to get to 35 words per minute.
With 6 weeks of normal teaching, children typically improve their words correct per minute by an average of 4 words. But children using Tutoring with the Lightning Squad make accelerated progress with reading fluency. With 6 weeks of Lightning Squad, words correct per minute generally increase by at least 12 words.
Derek
Yeah.
rushed back in. Ran Bob said Derek.
So let's see.
Congratulations!
Yeah.
How many points we have?
During a 6-week block of tutoring with the Lightning Squad, a child typically makes 3 to 5 months additional progress with their reading fluency.
We're now going to go on and have a look at some of the other activities. So I'm going to take you onto the platform.
Staff at schools using Tutoring with the Lightning Squad can access unlimited remote training and all the support materials they need to make the most of the platform. Within a year of Lightning Squad's launch in the UK, more than 20,000 pupils in 500 schools benefited from the programme. This is more than for any other literacy tutoring programme for primary schools.